if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing.
Channel, and welcome back if you're already subscribed. I'm trying to film a nighttime clean with me, just a relaxing nighttime clean with me. I started running a fever a couple of hours ago, so I'm not feeling very good. I took an advanced Tylenol, or I don't know what it's called, but you know, like the, hold on. Let me not make myself a total idiot. Okay, the Tylenol extra strength, and the fever actually has shot up since I took it. So I'm kind of getting a little worried and I'm going downhill fast. I just want to get as much done as I can tonight, just in case I am down for a few days. And just because even if I'm not, I just want to wake up to a clean house in the morning because I'm so tired of waking up with a million things on my to-do list. So I just want to get a few things done so that I don't have to worry about them anymore. So if you want to come along with me, maybe pour your glass of wine. This is going to be a relaxing nighttime clean, and maybe you can get some extra motivation. Thank you guys for being here. Enjoy. Before I get started, I just wanted to mention that today's video is in collaboration with a very sweet girl that I met on YouTube. Her name is Shimmy, and she has the sweetest little family, the cutest little son, and she also has the most beautiful home in progress. They're currently doing renovations to their home, and I am loving the process so far. And her kitchen is absolutely stunning. If you guys enjoy that type of content, please head over there and check out her video. I promise you will not be disappointed. So the first thing I'm going to do is clean out my fridge. I'm just going to take things out in sections and wipe it down, just because before I moved in I had already did a good wipe down on the fridge. I'm just getting it ready before I go grocery shopping.
You're undenying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes.
In my last video, I got a lot of questions of what cleaner I use in my home, because they noticed, everyone seemed to notice that I was using the same cleaner throughout my house, the same spray bottle. So this is actually the Young Living Thieves Cleaner, and I'll have it linked below for you. And I actually just use 2 capfuls of the cleaner, and I fill the rest up with water. And if I want a scent, then I add the any type of essential oil that I like, but it's usually lemon or whatever scent that I'm feeling that day.
Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. I never thought you would take over my mind, 'cause I've been lost,
Started on the few dishes that I had. The reason, you'll see in a minute, that I start putting things on a paper towel and then I change to like actually hand washing the dishes. I was gonna put them in the dishwasher, but then I decided since there weren't that many, I just went ahead and did them all by hand and then hand dried them, so when I wake up in the morning I don't have anything to unload or put away.
I wanna make you part of my plans. Put a little faith in me, though you're scared. Sometimes I feel like we're getting nowhere, nowhere, and nowhere, no. But I'm still here, hope that we will get there, get there, get there, together. Like no one else, you have a routine with your hair. You hide your face, but you're so pretty. So let go of the things you hear. I'm not going anywhere without you. So put a little faith in me, though you're scared. No, I made it hard for you, but I can't. Now I wanna make you part of my plans. Put a little faith in me, though you're scared. Sometimes I feel like we're getting nowhere, nowhere, and nowhere, no. But I'm still here, hope that we will get there, get there, get there, together. So let go of the things you hear. I'm not going anywhere without you. So put a little faith in me, though you're scared. No, I made it hard for you, but I can't. Now I wanna make you part of my plans. Put a little faith in me, though you're scared. Sometimes I feel like we're getting nowhere, nowhere, and nowhere, no. But I'm still here, hope that we will get there, get there, get there, together. Sometimes I feel like we're getting nowhere, nowhere, and nowhere, no. But I'm still here, hope that we will get there, get there, get there, together. I wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give in to the pressure. Uh-oh. I'm posting pictures, trying to be someone I'm not. It feels just like I'm lying to you. I fake it, stage it, trying to live some perfect life. I know I'm wasting time, 'cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be.
Okay, so now that I have all the dishes clean and put away, I'm just going to give the kitchen a good quick wipe down so that I can sweep and go to bed. Because at this point I was starting to feel absolutely terrible. I'm actually still sick right now, so I'm really not sure what's going on, but I'm definitely not feeling well. I know Aubrey had a stomach bug 2 days ago, so I guess it's just affecting me differently.
Cause I got a feeling that it could be great. Skip all the acts, stop playing games. Maybe reveal it, ring me and tell you my name. Yeah, I got a feeling that it could be great. Skip all the acts, stop playing games. No more concealing the ring me, I won't be ashamed. Cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself. You do the same and we'll be alright. Cause this pressure's really bringing me down. of the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give into the pressure. Oh, 'cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself, you do the same and we'll be alright. 'Cause this pressure's really bringing me down.
Somebody ought to come along and let you down.
I really didn't plan on mopping the entire kitchen. I just wanted to do a general clean to have it ready for the next day. But I remembered that I already had mop water made from earlier in that day that I still had yet to use. So I just wanted to go ahead and give the kitchen a quick mop just because I had that mop water ready to go. At this point, I was starting to feel really bad and I was just ready to go to bed. So I just went ahead and did a quick sweep in the living room because there was a lot on the floor and I just wanted it to be clean for Rhett to be able to crawl around on the next day. So I just went ahead and tidied that, and that's pretty much it for the cleaning that I did in tonight's video.
Let me go. Somebody said it should be easy to forgive. We all make mistakes and no one lives without sin. But why'd you have to break my heart? I wasn't ready to let you go yet. And now you're standing at my...
Thank you to everyone who stuck around till the end of this video. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you've already subscribed, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help me a lot. But this is going to be it for tonight's video. Thank you so much, you guys, and I can't wait for next time.